Dear students, in the previous video we have studied about noun and its different types, that is proper noun, common noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, material noun and collective noun. Today we are going to study formation of abstract nouns. How can we form abstract nouns? Let us revise abstract nouns first. An abstract noun is something that cannot be experienced by our five senses, that is, sight, hearing, touch, taste, or smell. We cannot see them or touch them, but we can experience them. It is the name of qualities, ideas, emotions, actions, feelings, and conditions. Abstract nouns can also be made from other words such as adjectives, common nouns, and verbs. We can make new abstract nouns by adding suffixes to adjectives, common nouns, and verbs. Dear students, suffixes are the letter or letters added at the end of the word to form a new word. Let us study making abstract nouns from adjectives. It is possible to make new abstract nouns by adding the suffixes ness, dum, why, shun, hood, etc. to an adjective. Here an example is given. Happy. Happy is an adjective. When we add the suffix ness with it, we get a new word, that is happiness. Happiness is an abstract noun because it expresses a quality. Dear students, some adjectives change differently to form abstract nouns. Means we do not add any suffixes with them. The entire word gets changed. Examples: long, length, humble, humility. Abstract nouns can be formed from verbs and other nouns as well. For example, friend. Friend is a noun. When we add a suffix ship with it, it becomes friendship, and friendship is an abstract noun. Act. Act is a verb. When we add the suffix shun with it, it becomes action, and action is an abstract noun. Now let us study how to make abstract nouns from common nouns. It is possible to make new abstract nouns by adding the suffixes shape, hood, dumb, etc. to the common noun. See, here some examples are given. Friend is a common noun. When we add ship, the suffix, it becomes friendship, and it is an abstract noun. Child is a common noun. When we add the suffix hood with it, it becomes the childhood. Childhood is an abstract noun. Abstract nouns can be made from verbs also. We can add suffixes like shun, ends, ear, meant, shun, l, etc. Examples are given here. Act is a verb. When we add shun with it, it becomes action. Accept is a verb. When we add ends with it, it becomes acceptance. Behave is a verb. When we add the suffix ear with it, it becomes behavior. Judge is a word. When we add meant with it, it becomes judgment. Invite is a verb. When we add shun with it, it becomes invitation. Remove is a verb. When we add ill with it, it becomes removal. Dear students, always remember some verbs have a different forms of abstract nouns. You don't need to add any suffix to change them into an abstract noun. Some such words are die, it becomes death. Lose, it becomes loss. Sell, it becomes sale. Speak, it becomes speech. Dear students, one more thing we should always remember, when we add suffixes with the word which is ending with y, the letter y will become I after you add the suffix, as we have done in the example happy. Happy is a word which is ending with y. When we add suffix ness with it, the last y is getting changed into I. Thank you.